Zhuhai, Condit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
We're in Zhuhai. On the map, looks like we're right here, right where that red dot is. So we're a little bit far. Macau is down that way, so we're kind of in the northern part of Zhuhai, and we're not too far from where the opera house. And actually, I think we could see the opera house. We can't see it, but over there is the ocean. But we're going to be kind of walking down a parallel street to the ocean, which is going to be this one that we're on right now, Fenghuang, Nanlu. And the idea is just kind of give you an idea of streets of Zhuhai, what they look like a little bit. Zhuhai. This one is Fenghuang Nanlu, and I think that means Phoenix. Maybe you can make it. Maybe you can verify in the comments. So this is like maybe Phoenix Road, but it's a kind of a main artery, not too far from the ocean. You can see it up on the map exactly where it's located at. And it's just kind of a slice of Zhuhai, just so you can kind of get an idea of all the different aspects of it, you know, how the streets are a little bit different in different places. So nonetheless, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Zhuhai. So now you saw that up on the real map. Wanzaisha bookstore over there. So we're going to be walking down a little bit towards, I was in another street that I filmed called Anping. It's kind of a leafy street up in the hills going down, and now we're going to be going to a new one as well, which I'll do a separate video for. But it's the one that, as I said, had some kind of reference to something called Kung Fu Panda or Kung Fu Football, Kung Fu Soccer. I think it's a movie reference. And this other one that we're going to go to has all these Doraemon. So we're going to see those references as well. And then at the moment, we're just kind of walking along a bus stop and a street in Zhuhai that's parallel to the ocean. So the ocean would be like, I could see it from, maybe we'll see it again in a moment. And the idea is we would just get an idea for what the streets look like in Zhuhai, kind of piece together an overall feeling of the city. Let's see, it's a bike lane right there. So all the people, they can park their bikes here. And then you can rent those out. Actually, this guy looks like he's going to load them all up on the truck right there, all the blue ones. So maybe that's what happens when there's too many. There are a lot around here. There's a bank right above me. So there's even more bikes over here too. But yeah, so basically what you can do is you can use this little QR code, and you can use WeChat. I never used one. I've been meaning to. I tried to do it earlier, but I need to have somebody kind of show me a little bit. And let's just see. So there's buildings blocking the way. I was hoping that we could see our road, but we cannot. Okay, so I think our street's going to be a little bit short, I think. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, So we're just walking down that street over there. There's E-Charm Hotel, which is kind of interesting. And what I was going to look for is a street that's called Doraemon. But there's all this construction. It has that name, but it's street number 2. That's street number 3. It's so loud, and I think I want to just see what this is all about and kind of walk this direction. And then if we see a 2 up here, then we'll take a look for that. I love Zhuhai. ZH. They're kind of using this as the sidewalk is their vehicle thing. Anyways, there's a nice, looks like a kind of a cool hotel though. Has a nice veranda, what do you call that? Looks really nice. Even got a little watch clock. And there's the E-Charm Hotel. And I'm gonna just go up and see if that's our street. If not, then we'll probably just end the video, or maybe we'll go up to the water. So, okay. So, this is our street, Fenghuang Street 2. And there's supposed to be all these Doraemon. So we're gonna see if we can see that. Oh, it's called Pineapple Street, and there's pineapples right there. And there's even something kind of cool right there. So, okay, so we did find what we were looking for, and this is what I was trying to find. So we're going to do a separate video where we film Pineapple Street. This is kind of cool. Let me just kind of take a look back in here real quick. I probably won't do this on Pineapple Street, but it looks like you can actually follow this little path all the way down, and there's even little cool stuff like that. Thought there might be. Okay, anyways, we're gonna do Pineapple Street as a separate video, so the next Zhuhai one you watch will be Pineapple Street. So, yep, all these little characters. So we'll just see, I think it's gonna go all the way up, and it's kind of a tourist site as well, so so stay tuned for that.